Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am doing great and hope to hear the same from you. Today I would like to teach you page number 13. In this page our topic is this, that is or and. We use this for the objects which is near to us and we use that for those objects which are far from us. And is a conjunction which is used to connect two sentences. Let us see some examples. In our first picture, we can see a cycle or a car. Cycle is very near to us and car is far from us. And we use and to connect these sentences. Let's read with me. This is a cycle and that is a car. This is a book and that is a pencil. Pencil is far and book is near to us. That's why we will use this for book and that for pencil. This is a book and that is a pencil. Okay. In the next picture we can see a man and a woman. Woman is far and man is near to us. That's why we will use this for man and that for woman. This is a man and that is a woman. In the next picture, this is an egg and that is a nest. This is a net and that is a fish. Okay students, you have to learn this page and try to learn the spelling of this page also. Let's move to the copy. And in our copy today we have a parts of body. Okay, on page number 35 we have a question, write parts of body. First part of body is arm. A-R-M. Arm. Your pencil should be very sharp. A-R-M. Arm. You have to write 2 times. E-A-R. Ear. Third one is foot. F-O-O-T, foot. And next one is eye. E-Y-E-I. And the next one is lips. L-I-P-S. Lips. And last one is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. You have to do practice parts of body on page number 36 also. And on page number 37 our question is write beginning sound. First picture is apple. Apple. The first sound of apple is a. Apple. Her hut. Sorry. Her hut. A egg. For fish. Moon. Per pencil. And you have to write it 2 times. For fish. Moon. For pencil. to practice on page number 38. Hope you understand my lecture. See you next time in the next video. Allah Hafiz.